Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. I feel like whenever I'm vlogging, I'm able to fully get ready while Forrest is sleeping, his first nap. And I feel like that almost always never actually happens unless I'm vlogging. I always try, like I start the process and then he'll wake up early or I'll get sidetracked with something. So it's really nice when I can actually finish the process in one go. I'm just looking at the app. He's gonna wake up any minute. I can't be that lucky where it's gonna be a long nap and I get ready. That's not gonna happen. So anyways, it's just Forrest and I for the most part today because Chad's not fully working from home today. He had a lot of things to do and it's the first day in a very long time. He isn't home with us like all day except, I mean, sometimes he has to run out for things, but he left really early this morning. I don't even know what time. He woke up at 5. So I think he left around 6 or so, but yeah, he'll be here this afternoon. I know I have to get used to him not being home all the time. At some point, he can't work from home for forever, but it's been so nice like having him here all the time. And it isn't that nice out. I am obsessed with watching the weather on the iPhone app, which isn't even that accurate in the first place because every single day for almost the last 2 weeks, it says the next day it's gonna be like beautiful weather and super sunny, and then I wake up and it's not even that nice, but it says the next day is gonna be really nice, literally for so long. So it's driving me crazy. It says like the next week and a half is really nice and sunny and warm. So I'm hoping it's gonna start at some point because I get so excited every night that I'm gonna wake up to a beautiful day and open the windows, and it really hasn't happened. But anyways, I'll show you what I'm wearing real quick and then we'll go get the baby. I've probably worn this sweatshirt in like 30 videos, so I'm sure you guys are so sick of seeing it, but this was a Walmart find on the website, and it's a dupe for a Shop Bop sweatshirt. So it was like, I don't know, $13, and the real one that is almost identical was like $75. I love finding a dupe. It's like so satisfying. I just really like that there is a zipper on either side and it has a leopard print in like a velvety style texture, and then I'm wearing the biker shorts. I think I wore these actually in my last video from Target. I love that these shorts are becoming like really trendy and in because they're so comfortable and they have so much coverage, the fact that they're almost to your knee. So I'm sure you guys are gonna see me wearing shorts like these way too much over the next couple months. I just went up and checked on him and he is still sleeping. It's been 49 minutes, which is really good for the first one. The first one is actually his shortest one. So I'm gonna make an iced coffee real quick. Oops, that's way too much, oh well. I ordered, oh, I told you in my last video a bunch of stuff I ordered for the house, and I know an order from Target is gonna be here today, and then I have a pair of sweatpants over there from Old Navy I'll show you, and then I'm sure he's gonna wake up. I cannot believe he's been sleeping this long. It's been 53 minutes. That's like amazing for us. Sort of a corally pink color sweatshirt style material and really thin, so those are gonna be great for spring and summer. I've been buying a lot of things for Forrest on Old Navy lately, so if you have a baby, the sales are just so good. Everything I buy is like only a few dollars each, and I get him accessories on there because they're so cheap. I'm like, I might as well. Like I got him sunglasses for $2, and then I got him a few pairs of sandals, and I know of course he's going to kick them off immediately, but they were on sale for like $4 or $5, so I might as well, even for a photo. I know that's extra, but only for a few dollars. And then yeah, like his separates and his onesies and sleepers, almost everything I've bought for him the last few months is all from Old Navy. That was an hour and 21 minutes. Are you okay? How do you do that? Dude, that was your longest nap by yourself in forever. How do you feel? How do you feel? You feel like a whole new man? He's about to eat first though. I had to share this outfit because let's face it, it's not gonna last very long. I think it's the first time he's worn this shirt. I'm just here for the snacks. It's the first time he's worn, I think, all of this actually. We just ate, he's all strapped in. I'm gonna go get the stroller ready. I put on Chad's sandals. I don't know how these work still. That one, nope. This one. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when you order way too much. Ooh. There is so much stuff in here, an outfit, who knows why. We got your bar, a bib, hat. Okay, there's blankets in my car. Sticking one of these in my pocket. I started bringing these on walks in case he gets like really mad so he's not screaming the whole way home. And I'm gonna pull him out of here. Stroller is ready to go. I just put a jacket on and I really like these longer shorts with a lot of layers. Like I feel like it looks better now. Okay, if this wasn't black it would look better so you could actually see all the layers. I don't know, I'm just trying to find ways to style these longer shorts because I like them so much. Be the pickiest baby ever. Good meal, right? Daddy had you sitting up so straight. Sir, how many blankets would you like today? I'll take 2. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. You know you're so cute. We met another baby, guys, who is 21 months. So next summer, squirt gun fights, popsicles, sprinklers. Are you yawning just thinking about it? When all this is over, there's gonna be so many friends for you, okay? Are you sad? You're such a good baby. Is your pike okay under there? Let me fix it. Sorry the bed's not made. This is who we are. Hey! Hey! Did you say hey? A few things came in from Target. I bought these baskets for 1 row of shelves in the mudroom and they look a little bit tall, so hopefully these fit. We're gonna go see it right now. And then a paper towel holder. I almost bought one on Amazon, but the cheapest I could find on Amazon was $14.99 and from Target it was only $9.99. No. Why do I do these things? Oh, wait. Is that in the way? No. It's so close to fitting. Would it be ridiculous if I like sawed these off of here? I mean, I'm sure there's somewhere else I could use these. That's not the point though. I want them to fit here so bad. Much better. This one matches all the hardware in here. I've switched out tons of hardware, as you guys know. And then this one I'll still keep. I'll put this one downstairs in the bar.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself. You're sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
What? Here you go. What? Here you go. You can do it. Here. Do it. You can do it. Don't get frustrated. You're doing so good.
I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more. 'Cause baby, you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say.
The last part of the nighttime routine is stressful because we make the whole routine like as relaxing, slow, peaceful, calming as possible. And while Chad's putting Forrest in a sleeper and I'm down here and I'm getting his bottle like set up and ready and bringing it up, he screams. He knows it's coming. And so I'm like rushing and then I spilled part of it. But while Chad is feeding the bottle and putting Forrest down, I'm going to start picking up because it is so crazy around here. And I made like a mental note that I need to say these two things because I realize I keep seeing these questions on all these vlogs and I keep forgetting to like say it. So we only are doing formula before bed. Occasionally he will have a second formula bottle, but for the most part I still am breastfeeding. And then I still really like the Magic sleep suit that I recommended, but it's starting to get warmer here and I don't think that's the best thing for like warm weather, spring and summer. So that's why we started to fully transition. I think this will be the third night of him sleeping in a nested bean sleep sack. Everything has like the longest name. We've been looking for some paperwork that we need to find, so there's like random paperwork all over the place. We had Freddy's for dinner tonight. Freddy's is like a Midwest version of In-N-Out. It's really good. The California is like as similar as it's going to get to In-N-Out. And paperwork, Apple Watches, phones, peanut butter. I don't know why peanut butter is out. Burp cloth. There's dishes, a little bit of everything. The living room, this is like a hot disaster. Everything happens in 0.5 seconds. I don't even know how it gets this bad.
I'm holding my breath as I walk to your front door. Who would have thought it could feel like this? Heart in my hands, I'm shaking like crazy. Answer the door, I got so much to say. When you're all that I want, can't you see that I'm sorry, love? Let me in, 'cause I know that you're hurting. Please, this is it. Can we give it just one more try? Say, believe in me. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like I've got to prove you wrong, 'cause it's a long shot. I'm in, I got a lot to prove. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Honey, give me a chance. You will see that I'm trying. Won't want you to know that I see you the same. Try not to think us do like we used to. I am changed, wanna show you too. When you're all that I want, can't you see that I'm sorry, love? Let me in, 'cause I know that you're hurting. Please, this is it. Can't you see that I want more try? Say you believe in me. Looks like we've waited here for a long time. Looks like we've waited here for a long time.
And that's just about everything for today, guys. Another drop, another day in the bucket, another drop in the bucket, whatever that saying is. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like regular life videos, I'm always worried it's not very exciting for you, but you guys tell me you like them, so I hope you enjoyed this one too. Please give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!